Hello students, welcome to the SST class. Today is the second day of chapter 19, Communication. In this chapter, we have already discussed the meaning of communication, means of communication like postal system and telephone. Let's take the feedback. What is communication? Which is the most common means of communication? Which is the fastest means of communication? How is a telephone useful? I hope you are able to answer these questions. Today I will discuss personal means of communication like mobile phone, fax and computer. Before reading, let's discuss terms related to chapter. Fax, a device used to send and receive documents in electronic form along a phone line. Internet, a network of computers that are interconnected. Now students, it's a reading time, so open your book at page 99. Mobiles or cellular phones can be carried wherever we go. This helps us to communicate even when we are traveling. Underline the word traveling and write down its meaning, moving. We can also send messages through short message service, SMS. Students, mobile or cellular phones are wireless. We can speak to anyone from anywhere on a mobile phone. We can send instant message, that is SMS, which means short message service, through our mobile phones. How have mobile phones made communication easier? Mobile phones are carried wherever we travel, which made communication easier. Apart from the telephone and mobile phone, we can send matter, pictures, photos in seconds to a person at faraway places through fax. A fax is a device that is used to send documents electronically over a telephone network. The fax, which is connected to a telephone line, is used to send written messages, photographs or letters instantly. Underline the word connected and write down its meaning, attached. Then underline the word instantly and write down its meaning, immediately. What can you send through a fax machine? We can send written messages, photographs and letters instantly through a fax machine. Now, recent method of sending messages are through computers. Today, computers have become an important means of communication. The electronic, email and internet are very popular and work through the computer. Underline the word popular and write down its meaning, famous. Students, here I would like to clear you the meaning of email and internet. Email is a method of exchanging messages between people using electronic devices. Internet is a networking infrastructure which connects millions of computers together globally. It is also known as World Wide Web. If you have computers, you can log on to the internet and send emails instantly. Students, we send letters, pictures, videos and messages from one computer to another. We can get information on almost any topic we want using the internet. We can get information about weather, latest happenings around the world through computers. How can we communicate using computer? We can communicate using a computer through internet. Students, smartphone is also a popular means of communication. It combines the features of a phone and the computer. So, it can be used to make telephone calls, send and receive emails. It also allows you to play music and take photographs. Nowadays, during lockdown, smartphones have proved the best aid as they enable you to study by sitting at home. Students, today I have discussed about mobile phone, fax and computer. I hope you have understood these topics. Now, your homework is to read page 99, revise terms and write on copy. Thank you.